and further the acting municipal manager, Nematlala, and your beautiful team. Yabashumi, sometimes I don't see you in offices. Today I can see you. You are very nice. Really, you are very nice. Now today, I can see that this institution, you are very much handsome, you are very beautiful. And also let me start by saying, indeed, we will continue telling a good story. We will continue telling a good story that firstly, as District Capricorn Municipality, we're going to make sure that we contribute to our economy immensely, especially by supporting SMMEs. In one of the countries in the world, Indonesia in particular, its economy, the contribution of SMMEs contribute 51% of their economic growth. Now, therefore, we can't fail as a district to make sure the company we give them support through the big companies. And the big companies also must strive to support the small companies in order to make sure that our economy grows. Now, therefore, I'm very much pleased today, especially as we move forward to make sure that we work as one on disaster and emergency. Our Bizoso on Tatemkabi. We are still going to make sure that we join hands with Polokwane municipality. We take over as a district emergency services. And our guys who are dealing with emergency services now must prepare for that. That will be taking over the emergency services of Polokwane in order for us to respond to our people, those that are in the rural masses. The task, the ANC-led government, we are pro-poor and the working class. And therefore, we're going to make sure that the people in the rural areas of our country get services like those who are staying in Velgelegen, who are staying in Bedo and other Lily suburbs in our area. Now therefore, I'm pleased to hand over the TLB. This TLB will be deployed to Blouberg. It's going to assist says Basan. I need the driver of this TLB. I can't turn a quantum. I can't turn a maquava. Or it's can't come a this TLB. I hope the driver I and it will go to Blouberg municipality to assist Kamo operation and maintenance. And we've got also about 4 this emergency vehicles chilling Bonambo. Already am a bus palen Kaufela Arena before. Ki Arana Mole Mole, Le Pellen Kumpile Blouberg. Already Kavedi Tusha in response of disaster and other emergency issues. Already respond. And also I learned, where is that sedan? Yeah, automatic. Is that side? Operation and maintenance. Says Basan. Hi, Ukumile tonight, today. But make sure that all these vehicles, because our communities, Babulela, Balibona, Helilo, oh, check, you know, understand, I'll check. I'm saying it openly here. Or please, these vehicles, it's Anjo Bereka, Asichao Reka di Piri, Chao ya bottle store, ba le bona badudi and le re direla dilo tša fase ge le tšea dikoloi tše tša bona le ya mabjaleng ka tšone ebile le ile go bona dikgaetšedi tša rena ka tšone tše ke tša mošomo wa setšhaba ka ge re ikemišeditše go šoma le setšhaba. Now therefore I'm pleased to hand over these vehicles to our employees for take care of these vehicles who are indebted into the people of South Africa and the district to do better for them. And I think we are indeed aiding in the statement of our President Jacob Zuma to say we will continue telling a good story until we go for elections as the ANC-led government. Thank you very much.